Hi, and welcome back to Stop Being Sold. My name is Michelle, and I'm here with Brian. And in today's video, we're discussing 401k day trading inside your 401k, and is it worth it? So, Brian, I had no idea that people could even do this.
Yeah, Michelle, some investors do this today inside their 401k. Matter of fact, in the late 90s, I was day trading my 401k as well as doing stock options. And that's what started my career as a financial advisor and a trader. So it's very popular with all age groups today. So don't think it's just the younger generation doing this. It's the older generation doing it too. And with some of the largest 401k plans allowing access to a brokerage account, day trading 401ks is going to continue to grow, especially if and when crypto is allowed in 401k plans later this year. Make sure you stay tuned to our channel for the details on that. And we will be doing videos on that immediately as it's happening. So
Absolutely. All right. Well, the best way to make sure you stay up to date is to make sure you subscribe to our channel. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that like button. Let us know that you like the content and help us grow the channel and help more people in doing so. All right, Brian. So let's talk about day trading inside of 401k. My first question is, why would someone day trade in an account that's earmarked for retirement? It seems a bit on the risky side. Or am I wrong?
Yeah, it is. And the main reason that people do this, Michelle, is to grow their account and to increase their returns. And to try to do it faster than what is already growing at with mutual funds or even target date funds inside there. They just want more control over their accounts. So
okay, so you might have more control, but what about the risk? I know a few this sounds ridiculous, but I know someone who knew someone, right? But I do know a few day traders who've lost quite a bit of money. I mean, really lost, right? Maybe they just weren't good at it. But the point is the risk worth the reward?
It's definitely risky. Okay. And as an advisor, my goal is to teach consumers to understand this risk. Many shy away from advisors and then think they can do it on their by themselves, do it on their own, and my tip to them is I want you to go out and lose money the very first day or your very first trade. And you're probably going to say, why would you want me to lose money, Brian?
It's all up here, isn't it?
Yes.
Yep.
It's if you win on your first trade, you can think you're invincible on the next trade. Okay. I would rather see you lose money first, step back, analyze what you did wrong and how you won't make that mistake again. It's a learning curve.
Sure. Absolutely. So what's the advantage of trading in your 401 day trading in 401k as opposed to like a normal brokerage account? Is it the tax advantage?
You bet. Okay. The tax advantage is a huge draw. You pay no taxes on the gains until you start distributions at retirement. If you were trading on a brokerage account, Michelle, you would pay taxes on your gains yearly.
So. Got it. Okay. It's a big bonus. Like a big fat one, right?
Big one.
So you mentioned that this is popular. So can anyone day trade in their 401k, or are there specific rules according to each plan? Like each plan different?
It depends on the brokerage plan, your 401k plan, and Michelle, if you have access to a brokerage account inside of it. Okay.
Got it. Okay.
Another thing you need to see is what are your trading restrictions inside your account? Okay. Michelle, some of your accounts will only allow you to trade quarterly, which kind of defeats the purpose of day trading, right?
Sure. Absolutely.
It's not called quarterly trading, it's called day trading. So you need to contact your plan provider to find out this info. Okay. And while you're at it, ask your plan provider what their fees are and how many trades are allowed in your account. If your account has commission-free trades, we're starting to see that there's a limit that these put on the amount of trades that you can do because of that. So you need to know all this information up front before you start trading the account.
Yes, you do. So let's just run through this. So if your plan provider limits the amount of trades in a certain time period, doesn't that mean that the limitation makes it all the more risky? Because what if you need to make another trade, but you can't because you're limited? I mean, you're going to end up paying for maybe
exactly
dearly for it.
Yeah. What if you can't exit a
That's what I'm
trade
saying.
because, or you get stuck in a trade and you could have maximum losses
Yeah.
inside there.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
it's pretty scary. So
All right. Well, obviously, this is not for everyone. I mean, some people
no,
do it and they do it successfully. So, but it is not for everyone.
no.
One final question here: what level of skills or day trading experience do you recommend that someone has that's looking to do this or wants to do this?
You know what? The best experience you can have, the best skill is experience.
Yeah.
And so many online brokerage, Michelle, will allow you to paper trade or practice trading to get used to see how trading actually works before you start doing it in real time.
Okay.
That would be my first step. I would recommend for anyone looking into trading with real assets
Okay.
inside their 401k.
Okay.
So start trading it, paper trading it first if your company
Sure.
allows it, and see if you get the swing of it before you hop in and start doing trades. So
Okay. Awesome. All right. Well, this has been really, really informative. Real quick, y'all. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Help us grow the channel. Help us help more people. Help us. Help me help you.
hopefully,
And also, just make sure to subscribe. So, Brian, is there anything else you want to add before we wrap this up?
yeah. And simply just be careful. This is your retirement.
Okay.
If you're going to do it, if you're going to day trade inside your 401k plan, limit your trading. Even if your company allows you to unlimited,
Sure.
limit your trading to a certain percentage of your account.
Okay.
So when Bitcoin comes inside the 401k plans, what we're hearing there's going to be a limit to a maximum of 20% of your account. I'm good with that. That makes sense, right? Why throw away all your hard-earned money
Sure.
and try to trade, especially while working?
Right.
Most of the time the stock market's open while you're working. So are you really going to be focused on work, or are you going to be focused on your day trading your 401k account?
Exactly.
The other thing is learn how to trade, read books on the subject, watch YouTube channels like this one, and watch some channels on live trading.
I was going to say the live trade. I love watching those. I
Pretty
thought it
cool.
would be fun for me to sit down and watch one. And that I ended up after 30 minutes leaving the thing, but it went on for 8.5 hours.
Oh yeah.
It was a
No, they
wow.
do. They do the whole day trade.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. So awesome. All right. We'll wrap this video up. Thank you, Brian. Appreciate it. If you are looking to day trade in your 401k, just know now you know the risks. Be careful. Follow the
definitely.
advice Brian gave you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Thanks, Brian. Thanks,
Thanks
everybody.
everyone. Have a great day.